In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy CS2 skins on Steam. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how you can easily purchase any Counter-Strike 2 skin that you want through the Steam Community Market. Keep in mind that you can also purchase skins through external websites, but for this video, I am not going to recommend any of those. I'm gonna teach you how to purchase them directly through Steam. You can get better deals on those third-party websites, but you should do that at your own discretion and of course with your own research. So if you want to purchase through Steam, either go over to the website as I'm doing here, then hover over community and go to the community market, or repeat these same steps through the Steam launcher. So hover over community and then market. Now, you should see CSGO cases on the popular items, but what I recommend is that you click on CS2 at the right side of this screen. Now you will only see CSGO items. These ones are going to be sorted randomly, so you will see a bunch of Strat Track items, a bunch of skins, souvenirs. You can click on any of these if you would like to see details, and you will see the price history and also the option to inspect these items in-game. So as you can see, that is a button here, or you can hover over any of them and then click Inspect in-game. If you go over to Show Advanced Options, you can also select Counter-Strike 2, and this will allow you to sort the items. So let's say, for example, you only want to find weapon skins. You can go over to Type, and then look for specific categories like rifles. Then only rifles will be displayed when you search. If you only want to find skins for the AK-47, you can either look for AK-47 here, or you will also have a filter option for weapons. So as you can see, you can choose only AK-47 skins. Let's say you want them from a specific collection. You can also configure it here. So for example, AK-47 skins from the Danger Zone collection, and they will appear like so. When you click on any of the items, you will see the price displayed here in your own local currency. And as long as you have a premium Steam account, you will be able to click Buy Now. You will pay the price displayed at the left side here, and you can receive these items in-game. They will go to your Steam inventory, and you are ready to use them once you get inside of CS2. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy CS2 skins on Steam. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.